South Africa is a diverse and beautiful country known for its stunning landscapes, wildlife, and cultural heritage. Here are 20 places to visit in South Africa, some famous South African foods, and potential job opportunities in the country. Places to visit in South Africa. Cape Town, explore the iconic Table Mountain, V&A waterfront, and historic Robben Island. KrugerNationalPark, experience incredible wildlife safaris in this renowned game reserve. Johannesburg, visit the Apartheid Museum, Soweto, and the vibrant Maboneng precinct. Durban, relax on the beaches, explore Ushaka Marine World, and savor Indian cuisine. GardenRoute, drive along the scenic route, stopping at charming towns and natural wonders. Cape Winelands, enjoy wine tasting in Stellenbosch, Franschhoek, and Paarl. Drakensberg Mountains, hike in the stunning mountain range, and explore the Royal Natal National Park. Geelagadi Transfrontier Park, a remote wilderness area for wildlife enthusiasts. Blyde River Canyon, discover the dramatic landscapes of the third largest canyon in the world. AddoElephantNationalPark, encounter elephants and other wildlife in this park. PortElizabeth, visit the friendly city with beautiful beaches and cultural attractions. Knysna, explore the famous Knysna Heads, and enjoy fresh oysters. St. Lucia Wetland Park, witness diverse ecosystems, including estuaries and wetlands. Lesotho, a landlocked country within South Africa, known for its mountainous terrain. Golden Gate Highlands National Park, hike in this stunning park known for its golden-hued cliffs. Sun City, enjoy entertainment, golf, and adventure activities in this resort. Soweto, experience the rich history of this township, and visit Nelson Mandela's former home. Pretoria, explore the capital city's historic sites, including the Union Buildings. Jeffreys Bay, a surfing haven with beautiful beaches and a relaxed atmosphere. Hermanus, known for whale watching and scenic coastal views. Famous South African foods. Braai, South African barbecue, a popular way to prepare meat, often enjoyed with friends and family. Babooti, a flavorful, spiced mincemeat dish topped with an egg-based custard. Bunny chow, a South African fast food dish, consisting of a hollowed-out loaf of bread filled with curry. Boerewors, a traditional South African sausage, made with a blend of spices. Malva pudding, a sweet and sticky dessert often served with custard or ice cream. Biltong, dried, cured meat, similar to jerky, available in various flavors. Cooksisters, sweet, deep-fried pastries drenched in syrup. Job opportunities in South Africa. Tourism, opportunities in the hospitality industry, including hotels, tour guiding, and travel agencies. Agriculture, jobs in farming, including fruit production, wine and game farming. Finance and banking, roles in finance, banking and investment management. Education, teaching positions, particularly for English, mathematics, and science educators. Mining and resources, employment in the mining and mineral resources sector. Healthcare positions in healthcare, including doctors, nurses, and medical research. IT and tech, growing tech industry with opportunities in software development and IT. Construction and engineering, jobs in the construction and infrastructure sectors. South Africa offers a diverse range of experiences, from safaris in its national parks to vibrant cities and beautiful coastlines, and has various potential job opportunities.